The engine of a train produces a force of 3000 Newton when moving at 30 meters per second. Calculate the power of the engine. This is Waec 2006. Let's solve the question. Now, look at this. We have given. The first thing is the engine of a train produces a force of 3000 Newton. So we have our force is equal to 3000 Newton. Now the next thing is when moving at 30 meters per second. Now 30 meters per second speaks of speed or velocity. So we take it as speed, which is 30 meters per second. The question now is calculate the power of the engine. We're asked to calculate the power of the engine. Now, power is question mark. Now, power is given as work done over time taken. Because power is the rate of work done. So the formula is work done over time taken. Work done over time taken. Now, if you look at the parameters here, the parameters were given. We don't have work. We don't have work done. And we don't have time. So we don't have work done, we don't have time. So it seems as if the formula is useless, but no, it is not. We can still solve this question. Now, look at this. We know that work done is equal to force times distance. Force times distance. Now, we can equally say that power is now going to be force times distance. We use S for distance over time. Now, if you remember clearly, acceleration, when we're talking about linear acceleration, velocity, and speed, you will discover that speed is given as distance over time, which is the same thing as S over T. Therefore, we can say that S over T, this S over T stands for speed. So we can equally say that, therefore, power, which is P, is equal to force times speed. Power, therefore, is equal to, the force here is 3000 Newton times our speed is given as 30 meters per second. Now power now is going to be equal to, if you multiply this 30,000, 3,000 times 30, 3,000 times 30 times 30, we're going to be having 90,000. 90,000. Now 90,000 power is measured in watt. 90,000 watt, or 9.0 times 10 raised to the power. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 times power 4 at W. This is our answer. Now let's look at another question.